In this video, I'm going to be giving you a demonstration of how to install Sproket 365 within your Microsoft 365 tenancy. So if you head to the Sproket website and commence your trial, fill out the form, you will then end up on a page looking like this, where you are presented with the files in which you need to install. So there's two files. The first one is Sproket Library and the second one is Sproket 365. If you click on both of those links to download those files, you can see they're now sitting in my downloads. What I then need to do is head over to SharePoint, into the SharePoint administration portal. Okay, so to access the SharePoint administration portal, I've gone to admin.microsoft.com, and then I'm going to click on Show All and go to SharePoint. You need to be a SharePoint tenant admin for this. If you don't have enough permissions, you'll need to send these files off to your tenant administrator for them to complete these steps. Click on More Features once we're in the SharePoint tenant admin, and then click on Apps. Now, if you've never installed any apps into your SharePoint environment before, then you may not have what's called an app catalog. And I will provide a link, which you'll see at the top of your screen now, in steps in which to create an app catalog. Once you've done it once, you'll never need to do it again. So I'll continue on the assumption that one already exists. So I'm going to click on App Catalog. So on the left-hand side, if we click on Apps for SharePoint, this is a list of all the apps that are within your tenant. It's likely for you that this will be empty. What we need to do now is drag and drop each file to upload this into the app catalog. It's really important that you only do one at a time. So when we upload it, we need to click on this checkbox to make this solution available to all sites. If you don't click on this, it means that each app or the app would need to be added into each site. If we want it available in all the sites by default, then we tick this box and click on Deploy. And now I'm going to do the same for the other package. I'll get the same prompt. I'll tick the box and click on Deploy. So now if I open up SharePoint, and in all SharePoint communication sites, you'll now see this Sproket icon down the bottom left-hand side on all pages. Okay, I can click on this to reveal different settings. I can turn on the left-hand navigation bar. I can configure rules, and I can manage my subscription. You can see in this current subscription, we've got a trial. And if I want to go off and manage that and sign up, then I can click on the Manage Subscription button here. I can also now go in and edit a page. And at the top, I can click on plus, which Sproket web parts are then available to use on the page. Note that the Sproket web parts can be used in team sites as well, but the left-hand navigation function is something only for the for communication site. So Sproket is now installed and you're ready to go. If you have any questions, please visit our support site to find more helpful videos and articles, or to simply get in touch with us. Thanks for trying Sproket.